Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make milk and honey. Each time I say milk and honey, my first thoughts are about the famous bar with that name. I came across the recipe some time ago, and if I find something that I feel intrigued about, usually I write it down in a notebook. It could be challenging to find recipes that have not been shared through the community. So a few hours ago I was just realized that this recipe actually has been shared some months ago from David from Booze on the Rocks. But regardless of that, I'm really curious to give it a try. Let's not waste more time and go to it. We take our glass, and to the glass I'm gonna add a few ice cubes. Okay, I think that should be enough. And to that we're gonna add 2 ounces of Bénédictine herbal liqueur. It smells really good already. Bénédictine is a French liqueur from northern France. I believe it's from Normandy. And there have been different theories or explanations where it comes from. The most common is that is being related to monastery, and it has been created by some monks. However, I'm not sure how truthful this story is. Anyway, let's go back to the drink. So we put our Bénédictine, and the next thing we have to do is to top it up with fresh milk. I think like 4 to 5 ounces should be enough. And the recipe calls to decorate it or garnish with orange and cinnamon. However, sometimes I have issues with the oranges since their acidity could vary and some are way sweeter than others. So I'm worried if I have a contact between the orange and the milk, it not to curdle. That is why I decided to garnish it with dehydrated orange. And I will use a clip or a clothespin and will put the orange like this, and I will pass on the cinnamon. Let's give it a gentle stir. And let's give it a try. It's really sweet. There is some notes of honey. The first notes that touch my tongue and the palate are kind of medicinal or slightly cough syrup feeling, but that disappears really fast, and then you have the pleasant calming effect of the milk mixed with the vanilla and orangey aftertaste of the liqueur. So I think I will definitely make myself one in the future. It's quite refreshing, and I think much well the season, since you can take it, I assume, when it's hot because it's with cold milk, but it also match this autumn, fall autumn vibe and lowering temperatures outside. And another thing I need to say is that this recipe can be made using warm milk. In this case, just add the warm milk and skip the ice, and you have the nice hot version for when it gets even colder. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.